Hello everyone, today we are in Agnone. We are in the middle of the historic center of Agnone at walking distance from all basic facilities. Agnone is a lively small town situated in Molise region. This town holds a lot of heritage and history. It is well known for the local gastronomy and his famous dairy products like the caciocavallo. It is also well known for the Pontifical Marinelli Bell Foundry. It is one of the oldest family businesses in the world, specializing in the art of bell making since 1339. And today we are looking at this townhouse, most likely coming from the 18th century, but even before that probably. And the property that's for sale is basically this one. And here we have the main entrance. As you can see, there is beautiful exposed stone because the house is completely made of stone. And this is the main entrance, and we are immediately in the kitchen and living area. With beautiful exposed stone and exposed wooden beams, original ones coming from the 18th century. And here on the floor we have this beautiful stone flooring. These are called chianche and is a type of stone made in Agnone that it's hard to find nowadays. Here we have a small laundry corner. It's always useful. These are the stone staircase reaching the first floor, and this is the kitchen corner. Now I can go upstairs. And we are now on the first floor. We have this beautiful wall with exposed stone. And as you can see, the whole house avails of exposed wooden beams on the ceiling. And here we find the first bedroom. It is a single bedroom. With the window overlooking a small alley of the historic center. We are right above the main entrance. Here we have a full bathroom with shower. And to complete the floor, we find this beautiful master bedroom. The house comes furnished. And the window overlooks the main entrance. And now we can go back downstairs so that I can show you also the basement. So the basement is reachable through this door here. We have this staircase with original cotton tiles, and we are now in the taverna, beautiful taverna with star vaulted ceilings, exposed stone, and original cotton tiles. This place would be perfect as a wine cellar. And we have also central heating system. So this beautiful stone house with lots of character has all utilities connected, including central heating system. It is in perfect conditions, completely restored, maintaining its original features, and it's ready to live in, sold, furnished. If you're interested in this property, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com or check the link in the description box.